I swung back by. It's May 25th, and I thought I'd show a video on how we put in crushed concrete in order to create a better base. So removing this existing driveway, pouring it back on this clay, you might as well take your money and put it in a blender. So this is where it costs, not just removing it, but putting it in the proper base, tamping it, giving the customer a true base and a true 4 inches of concrete. And they finished up the porch. We got about, I think there's 4 jobs on this street. You got one here, there, and there. And we should be wrapping it up by Friday and going off to the next job.